Hello, I am the wizard. I have some quests for you.
Hi, this is Mr. Held. I have been working on a Scratch RPG game, and I'm posting my first YouTube video about it. For this first video, I'm just going to show what the game can do right now. Scratch is a block-based coding system where I created this game. Here's the instructions for how to play the game. Clicking the arrow restarts the game, and we start with this title screen. When I hover the mouse over the start button, it flashes, and when I press it starts the game.
You must be new here. My name's Calvin. The wizard is my grandfather.
So the game
Go
starts
inside the wizard's hut.
with this Calvin character, and he follows you around.
Go inside the wizard's hut.
I programmed him to just keep following you until you go into the
Go
hut.
inside the wizard's hut.
So Scratch, well, I better go in here or he'll keep talking to me. So
Hello, I am the wizard. I
that
have
starts
some
the quest,
quests for you.
and then
Hello,
he's going to tell
make
me.
a wooden sword from 2 twigs and a vine.
Alright, so in this game, I've used an XY coordinate system for the screens. So this screen here we're on is 0, 0. And I've coded the game so that when I get to the edge of a screen, like this screen, I'm going to go up. And up is on the Y coordinate axis. So I'm going to go up a screen. So now this is screen 0, 1. And this is very important part of my game. Everything is coded based on these coordinates. For instance, this orc, he will only show up on this screen, the 0, 1 screen. When I go to 0, 0, he goes away. When I come back to 0, 1, there he is. Okay? So I've seen quite a few different RPGs made in Scratch, but mostly they're incomplete. They haven't tried to make a whole game, just a basic engine. So on my main character, I'm going to make a little change here. I'm going to change the XY coordinates. I made a special room in my game, so I'm going to go to that room. So I have an inventory. When I press the I button, it brings up my inventory. I made this screen in this secret treasure room so that I can test different items. So when I touch the item, it deletes the clone of the item, but it puts the item inside my inventory. So I can click on the helmet section and equip the helmet. And now I am wearing the helmet, and my armor actually went up due to wearing the helmet. I can pick up the shield, and I'm going to try a sword. We'll try the bow, some arrows, some keys. Alright, so I can equip the armor. I can equip a sword. That's the wooden sword. And now I can attack with the sword. I have the shield. Okay. Did I not get the bow? I don't see my bow, so something glitched out on me. So I can't show that. I have this room where we can fight these orcs. A club orc, he does more damage. I don't seem to be able to hit him. There we go. Dropped a club. So now I can actually equip that club. Now I have the orc's club. Okay, so I have some bombs. I'm going to the secret room here. there's a dragon. Yeah, taking some of the stuff from Zelda. And he shoots out fireballs. I don't really have anything to defeat him right now. So, I don't even know. I'm not even damaging him. Yeah, it still has some glitches. So, okay. So, nothing happens when you die. You just die. You have to reset the game and start over. Okay, so I'm going to do a new run this time. I'm going to equip some armor. And so this stuff, for what I've made in the game so far, is the best armor and weapon. So we'll just go through here and check out all the orcs that I've created so far. So I can pick up sticks. And we can get some apples. And we're going to equip that apple, and see Q button uses the apple. Alright, so and then I just got 5 hit points back for eating that apple. And yeah, I would like to come up with a better fighting system. It works. It's like he's too close, so I can't. There we go. And on this next screen, I have another club orc. Okay. The archers are not working. There's more orcs there. I've been working on my inventory slot code, and so my bow doesn't work, but I want to show it. So I'm just going to do this little cheat right here, and actually you might see a little bit of how I've been making this game. I'm going to go to this variable equipped R. It's the equipped R right hand, and I'm just going to put the wooden bow there real quick because I've been using the bow to figure this out. So if I just click this, alright, cool. That's kind of cool. It puts the bow in my right hand. And now I'm going to pick up some arrows, and we'll take a look at this. The arrows work right now, so I gotta equip those normally. Alright, so now I have arrows and a bow, and I draw the bow and shoot the arrow, and I can actually go pick up the arrow. And right now I don't have it, it's not taking arrows away as I shoot them, so I can shoot a bunch of them, which eventually I'll make it so that I'm actually gaining arrows by doing that. And there's a number glitch I keep having. Alright, fix that. Okay, so now I can use my bow to fight the orcs. I think I know it's interesting. My bow isn't really working. I have archer orcs that shoot out arrows. I can actually pick up their arrows and get arrows from them when they shoot and miss. Or even if they hit you, like it lands on the ground. Oh, now I'm dead. I also have a crafting system in the game.
Hello. Make a wooden sword from 2 twigs and a vine.
So if you press the C button, it'll show you what crafting materials you have. So I'm going to gather up some twigs.
Hey, vines grow on trees to the north.
And yes, the vines are up to the north. So I'm going to go up there and grab this vine. And I'll go into my crafting menu and I'll put in 2 twigs and a vine. I'll click craft, and that puts the wooden sword into my crafting slot. And now I can equip the sword. I have the sword. Not the sword sitting in the special room, but in the actual game.
You made a wooden sword. Quick, show it to the wizard.
Yeah, Calvin likes that.
Hello. Use your wooden sword to kill 5 orcs.
Okay, and he gave me a healing potion for doing that, which I can equip.
No way. You need armor. Find Martha.
We're supposed to go see Martha. And I need to change her text. She says he's to the east, but I actually can't go east from here. I gotta go west. So we'll fix that later. And we have Joe the blacksmith.
How are you doing? To make armor, you'll need to mine ore. Give me 10 twigs for my forge, and I will give you a pickaxe.
Okay, so I have 11 twigs. And we'll talk to the blacksmith.
How are you doing? Did you bring me 10 twigs? Thanks for the twigs. Here's the pickaxe I promised you.
And you can see now he took away 10 twigs. We only have 1 twig left. But we have a pickaxe. I actually have 2 right now because I brought one from the secret treasure room. I'm going to head over here to the mine. Come on. And we're going to mine some ore. And I turned up the spawn rate for this video so that they will respawn quickly. So we're going to make some items. We can take 3 iron ore and make an iron bar. Now we have 1 iron bar. And we have some more ore we can mine. And we can make another iron. And get a little more ore. Okay, we'll do some crafting. We'll put in 3 iron bars and a leather. And we get a helmet. So now we have the iron plate helmet. Okay. And we could also craft 3 leather together, and we get a leather armor. Okay, armor's up to 9 now. Oh, chicken coming after us. Get a feather for that. Yep, so now we 6 feathers for killing that chicken. Chicken doesn't currently respawn. Thanks for watching. Just showing the main parts of the game have already made this a 15-minute video. In the future, I'd like to make videos about specific parts of my game. How do I make the screen change? how did I create the orc, or just how do you pick up sticks. I'll leave a link to the game in the description below. Feel free to make comments on what you'd like to see a video of. Until next time, keep scratching.